This is a review of this heater. It is super cute looking. The functionality is as such. When it's plugged in, the power button here will flash just to let you know it's plugged in and to remind you to unplug it. When you turn it on, it automatically starts in level 1. The fan is the same in level 1 or level 2, and this is the volume. It's a nice, quiet, good white noise fan. It gets hot very quickly. So number 1 is 900 watts, number 2 is 1500 watts, and then here is the timer. And the timer goes like this, and it actually has a lot more times than you think. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours, 9, 10, 13, 14, and so on. Oops. And you can see the tip protection works, and it's ETL rated. The fan is quite warm, and it really only has the 2 temperature settings. You can feel the heat. It's uncomfortably hot, regardless of the setting, if you're within 3 feet of it. So when you place this, you're going to want to have it some distance from furniture, curtains, and yourself.